Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you my foundation routine, something that just helps to cover up scarring and pimples, and obviously now is the best time for me to do it just because I have quite a few scars and blemishes. So if you'd like to know my personal foundation routine and what I use just to achieve really nice glowy skin, then please keep watching. So this is just the Catrice Prime and Fine Nude Glow Primer. I'm just going to start by putting a few, I'm just going to start by putting a few bits of this all over my face. So the foundation I'm going to use today has always been one of my top favorites. It's just a foundation that gives your skin a really nice glow without being too cakey or too heavy. So the foundation I use is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This is in W4. So I'm just going to apply that on a brush and just dab it all over. So when doing this, you want to do circular motions. This is just going to help buff the foundation into your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with a liquid highlighter and illuminator. So this one is from Makeup Revolution in the color Champagne. It's just a liquid highlighter. I know a few brands have these. I'm going to apply a few dabs of this on my cheekbones, in the center of my face, down my nose. This is just going to really give your skin a nice glow and just highlight your face really nicely. So I'm just going to take my same foundation brush and just blend that in. So you want to focus this on your cheekbones, the center of your forehead. As you can see, that also just gives your skin a really nice healthy glow. So once I've applied that, I'm going to go in with a concealer just underneath my eyes, just to hide any dark circles or any fine lines that you might have underneath your eyes. Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. So basically I'm just going to apply a little bit of this under my eyes, and I also just put some in the corners. Just take that foundation brush again, and with your concealer you want to try dab it in, just because you want to keep it in that area and not just sliding around your whole entire face. So I'm going to put the excess of what's left on my brush on my eyelid. And you want to make sure you blend it in really well. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ofra Cosmetics Banana Powder. So this is what it looks like. It's just a yellow banana powder. You really want to just focus it directly under your eyes, and this is just going to help set that concealer. So I usually set around my mouth, just because you're constantly either eating or smiling. If you're like me, you get quite a few lines around your mouth. And then next, the last place is just my forehead, so I just set that with some powder. Eyebrows, I use the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. So once I've applied my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with a bronzer. My go-to bronzers is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. but unfortunately I broke mine, so it's in 1,000 little pieces. But I'm just going to try show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. If you can see, it's all broken. Using a bronzer is just going to really help bring definition to your face, which you kind of took away once you applied foundation. So it's just going to really give your face a nice glow and some color. As you can see, I'm focusing it mostly in this area and then just blending it down. You don't want to bring it too down close to your mouth or too high. You just want to keep it in this area. So as you can see the difference, it just really does give your face a little bit of shape. And then I'm going to apply some on my forehead. And then I just go slightly in with some around my nose and on the jawline. So next we're just going to highlight our faces. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. So this is in the shade Molten Gold. This is one of my favorite highlighters that is really affordable and can be like bought in most drugstore shops. Just before applying my highlighter, I like to go in with a skin spray or skin mist or some sort of face spray. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Ready Set Radiance. This is just what it looks like. I'm going to just take that highlighter on a fan brush. So this is what a fan brush looks like. And I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face. So you want to apply this to your cheekbones. I kind of just do a C shape, so basically this area over here. And then I just apply a tiny bit on the bridge of my nose, top of my lip. And then I just go in once more with the setting spray and just make sure that we set everything in place and that it looks nice and glowy. So that's it for my foundation routine and what I use just to achieve really pretty glowy skin. And to hide like certain blemishes and scars and marks. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe, let me know what you think, and give this video a thumbs up.